Welcome to another edition of the story behind the car. I shot this Nova, well, Chevy II, late in the fall last year, and just getting around to posting it. I believe it's a 66 because it is a Chevy II. Look at that beautiful interior, bucket seats. You can see the SS badging right in the front of the gear selector. I don't know that I've ever seen a gas cap that had a lock right in the middle. That's pretty darn cool. There's a Super Sport badging on the rear quarter panels, bumperettes. Just a really nice car. White, beautiful white with a fantastic red interior. Chevy came out with the Chevy II. There's SS badging on the back end as well as Super Sport on the side. Chevy came out with the Chevy II in '62, and then I think '67 is when they renamed it the Nova. But unfortunately, the owner was not around when I shot this, but I just couldn't help but shoot it. Just a gorgeous vehicle. Not sure if that's the original engine. Does look like a period correct AC unit because how big the compressor is. So it could be original AC, and just not sure. But just a beautiful car. Wanted to post this and share it with you all. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the support, and we'll catch you on the next video.